Okay, so here's a second video to show you maybe some of the features of the recorder itself. So again, I'm recording this using the iPad recorder, and what I'm trying to show is the Explain Everything recorder, and that's the big red button right at the very top of the middle of the screen. So this is going to be weird because I'm going to be making a video as I'm making a video. Anyway, is that kind of like putting two mirrors together? I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna start the recording there. So now I'm recording on top of recording, which is a little weird. And you notice there that it says stealth zoom off. And I'm gonna go just to the next slide here. And again, it says there stealth zoom off. So I'm going to show you what happens when you write on something using the stealth zoom off. So I'm going to use my yellow pen again, and I am going to zoom in with a pinch and zoom. I'm just using two fingers to a pinch and zoom, and you can see there I'm going to write V equals 50 milliliters for this particular calculation, and now I'm going to zoom back out. And I can actually zoom way out. Remember, this is an infinitely large whiteboard, but I don't want it to be that big. I want it to be like that. So that's with stealth zoom off, which means when we look at our video, you're going to see that zoom. Now I'm going to push the stealth zoom on. All right, so that's with my little stealthy ninja guy down there. And again, I'm going to zoom in, and I am going to write what the mass is. But this time in my Explain Everything video, you're not going to see this zoom. So mass equals 43.5, oops, 0.5 grams. So that was with the stealth zoom off. I'm now going to zoom back out, and that's awesome. And now I'm just going to do some writing. D equals M over V, and we can then put the 43.5 grams and the 50 milliliters. You'll notice it looks fatter, and that's because we didn't zoom. Because the thickness of the writing is dependent on whether you zoomed or not. I'm now going to stop the video that we did in Explain Everything. And you can see here we've got a little editing suite. This is awesome. This is quite a powerful machine. And I can actually zoom back and take a look at all the stuff that I did. Look at, there goes my writing. It disappears. That's beautiful. Look at, there goes that writing. And there goes that writing there. And then eventually, because I did lots of talking, there goes that writing there. Okay, let's go right to the beginning. So I can play this and listen to myself. And yes, so I'll show you what happens. Ooh, 4 times speed. Let's slow that down. That's fun. I changed the speed somehow. All right, let's go back to the beginning here. There we go. And again, it says there stealth zoom. A video off. Of a video. Weird stuff. So I'm going to show you. Stop that right there. That's fun. If I go ahead, you'll notice you can see where we pinched and zoomed. And you can see that on the video. So if you have the stealth mode off, the people will see your pinch and zoom. All right? Now, the next thing we did, we had the stealth mode on, which means in this video, they don't see the pinch and zoom. But in the video that I'm making on the iPad, you'll see the pinch and zoom because I was showing you how to do it. So that stealth mode is kind of neat. There we zoomed back out, and there we filled it in. All right? You can actually use many of these buttons on this editor to cut things and add things. And you can even add writing right in the middle of the video. Let's say I wanted to add some writing right in the middle of the video. Look at, I just added some stuff right there. And now that's become part of the video. All right? So it's going to, see, there. I've now added writing on top of writing. So I can actually fix my writing if I didn't like my writing. All right? Super powerful. Now, how to export this, I haven't quite got that figured out. Maybe I'll work on that on the next video. I'm suspecting this button here in the upper right-hand corner, not the triple button, I pushed it, but this export button, and what it's doing is it's preparing your video for export, and there you can see export that video out, and you could export it directly to your Google Drive. There you can see it there. And this is then working through the iPad to do that. That's fun. This is a pretty powerful thing. I might actually use this. This is cool. So I'm going to zoom back out, and I'm going to stop my video here because I don't want to make them too big. All right, that's fun.